Hello, people, and this is my 11th review of the day. And in this particular review, like we are on the series of why you need to start your YouTube channel, people. See, um, like I said in my previous video, this is just we have just so much time on the planet, and these are your skill set. YouTube is like the platform, there is that one can think, and more importantly, YouTube helps one hone one's personality like nothing else, like, I mean, uh, when you get negative comments, how to deal with it, when you get happy positive comments, how to deal with it, I mean, and most of all, you learn patience, because everywhere else it's like, I mean, at the end of a month you expect a salary or whatever, but YouTube is an ongoing project. So, I mean, what I feel is if you've learned patience in life, you've learned a lot, So for that reason alone, you need to start your YouTube channel, because it'll teach you patience, it'll teach you, how to face your fears in terms of any kind of, how to be more tech savvy. In fact, that's what I need to make a. I can, on each of these topics I can make a video, And considering I plan to shoot only 1 minute of each, so that is also a good thing. So that's what this particular video is about. How the art of patience, and to watch this video also, I guess you need patience. So whatever, but just start it, people, because it's 2018. By 2020 at least, then you should have, like, you should be 2 years on YouTube, and then probably you'll start making some money. So yeah, on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.